What's up, guys? Welcome back. 101 time. What up, Ripley? What up, Steven? All right, yes, the 101 pod's out of control. Almost $1,700. Let's do something about that. It's very hard in Mosaic, but Spectra, maybe. All right, let me get some top loaders. Hang on one sec. I want everything up tomorrow. Monday is always catch-up day. Mike and Brett, or Mike definitely will. Brett might hit or miss. Mostly miss. Then Tuesday, I'll be back. Immaculate Football comes out this week. Wednesday, it is not cheap. We'll do the best we can as always. Probably do a 2-box PYT. It'll be expensive as hell. And then maybe some randoms. Not sure how many we're going to get. Some other releases as well. One sec. I think it's out already, Steven. I think it's en route. I think Brett shipped it out. Next is Immaculate. Immaculate. Regular Immaculate. I don't even know how to do this. Let's do Mosaic, then Choice, then Spectra. I think it's out already. When Brett was gone to the Dells, I did the shipping for 3 days. I didn't really send tracking. So, if anyone's wondering, should be coming soon. If not, just message me and I can get you tracking. It's like 3 large mail containers full of bubble mailers I didn't feel like taking pictures of. And we're short staffed. That's how I'm going to use as my excuse. But it should be there pretty soon. Bowman, I have to see. Probably. I don't have much of the draft. I'm going to try to order more tomorrow. Price has gone up. Probably mix it with something to a PYT. All right, good luck. Let's hit that 101. All right, Brown, Taylor, Kamara, Carr, Jaws. Got a Carson Wentz Prism. Silver J.J. Watt. Barry Mastery. Got a nice DK Prism Stairmaster. I do top load all of the insert prisms. We got Buss, Watson, Lance debut, Stafford, Werner, Holland. I think it's in the last one that Brett shipped when he got back, I think. So I remember tossing it in the box and saying, put that with Steven's cards. OBJ, Watt, Gordon, Donald, and our first auto, Michael Strachan. Rookie auto for the Colts. Come on, man. Got an Ocho Cinco Silver. Jabril Cox, rookie red. All the colors will get top loaded too. Devonta Smith introductions. Montage Donald. Warner, Wilson, Diggs, Parsons debut. Get top loaded. Hubbard and Gainwell. You bet. Figure I'd give you first pass on it. I'm in a league with other breakers where instead of putting money up, we put cards up. I got third place. Got that and a Dion autograph. Not bad. Dwight Freeney, Mixon, Ayuk, Gibson, Mims, Hilaire on the Prism. And a silver rookie Ben Skowronek for the Rams. Barry Sanders Stairmaster. Peacocks, yes. Hopefully the next one. Montage Silver Allen. Hopkins, Young, Moon, Chubb, Daz Newsome, and Adofe Away. See a purple coming. Kyler, Drew, Humphrey, Stafford, Jimmy G, and not bad for the sneaky Panthers. Got a Chuba Hubbard rookie base to 49. 3 of 49. Nice hit. Got a Melvin Silver. Lewis Mastery. Center Stage, Lamar Silver. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's going to be nasty. Najee debut. Kamara. We'll definitely hit the 101 there. Brady. Taylor. Kadarius. Jabril. That will be a 101 coming if it lasts that long. There's some other releases this week, too. I just can't think of what they are offhand. Aaron Jones. Jeremy Chin. Randy Moss. Fournette. Michael Thomas. Got an Emmitt Smith Prism. Anto Winfield Jr. Red. Najee on the blue chips. Center Stage Prism, Dan Marino. Allen, Waddle debut. Cousins, Lewis, McMath, Phillips. They said Racy McMath during the game. I don't know what he did, but he was mentioned. I remember hearing Racy McMath. Allen, Tanyan, Robinson, Lattimore, Bolitnikoff. Got a Quentin Nelson Prism. Got a Jake Funk rookie Prism. Rams. Men of Mastery Russell. Scary Terry Montage Prism. Thomas Davis. Carr. Pitts debut. Brady Bucks. Wallace and Mooring. Alright. Time to heat up. Burnell, Landry, Sanders, Floyd, and Salvon Ahmed. That is an obscure from the past for the Dolphins. Salvon Ahmed. Miami. Obscure. That's how we like it. Got a Prism Baker, Silver JT, Blue Chips Waddle, Montage Allen, Rice, Tillman, Crowder, Farley debut, Powell, and Strachan. 101 Fields, I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for everyone. I'm rooting for you too. Boda, Sutton, Kelly, Warner, Newton, and a Billy Sims Prism. Hubby Red, Deshaun Watson. Brady Stairmaster. That's nice. Najee introductions. Silver for the Steelers. Devontae Miller Long. Robinson, Shoyinka, and a Najee base, which I will top load. Is he really still on the Dolphins? I thought he retired. Tyler Boyd, Warner, Crowder, Dickerson, Montana. Got a Max Crosby for the Raiders, blue to 99. It's going to be 63 of 99. And OBJ Silver. Montage CD Lamb. Damian Harris Overdrive Silver for the Pats. ETN debut. Gibson, Breezy, Warner, Sewell, Ian Book. Peyton, Andrews, Devontae, Cook, Gronk, DJ Moore Prism, JT on the red, Stephon Diggs, got a Swagger, A.J. Brown Prism for the Titans. Tua, C-Mac, Bateman debut, Brady Pats, Quiddy Payne, and Kyle Trask. Have a woof box. Let me get these in sorting tray. We'll try to do better with Choice and Spectra. Get the hider card. Got one. All right, looking for some golds to 80, an autograph, and an exclusive rookie. Try to find the auto. Ooh, it's a redemption. Redemption on the bottom. Probably a good thing, hopefully. First one out, going to the Texans. That is 4 of 8. Wow. Usually they're to 80. 4 of 8, Brandon Cooks, Houston. We got a hot box. Hey, there you go, Dane. Debut Fields on the gold. That is 31 of 80. Nice hit. Not a 101. But a card you will enjoy. Nice hit, buddy. That is the best card we pulled out of Choice so far. Including the autos. Oh, I thought that was T-Law. It's nice, though. Minshew. He's the future somewhere. I just don't know where. It's going to be 5 of 80. We got our exclusive, not numbered, Demetric Felton. How about a peacock? There you go. Nice hit. Who's got the Steelers? Najee Harris, base rookie peacock. That will play. Nice hit. Who's got him? Who's got him? Who's got him? Steelers, Justin Lady. Nice hit, man. Tracking tomorrow. It's a banger. Nice hit. 2 boring cards and the redemption. DeAndre Swift Silver. Caleb Farley Prism. Yada, yada, yada. All right, good luck. Minshew to Cleveland. Rookie autograph choice fusion. Red and yellow. Card 4. Justin Fields. There you go. Boom. Nice hit, Dane. Got him at the right time, buddy. Nice hit on the fusion red and white Justin Fields autograph. Wish you could have seen it in person. I love it when I can actually see the card. But nice hit. Nice hit. All right, we're heating up just in time for Spectra. There's Dane. What's up, Tyler? Boom! All right. Start out for the Bills with a Rosau. Pink rookie die cut. It's going to be 2 of 20. Everything's nice and short printed. Next one up for the Bucks. Got a Mike Evans Pulsar. It is 47 of 99. First hit. It's going to the Eagles. Brilliance Miles Sanders patch. 12 of 49. Player worn. first autograph. Tylan Wallace on a silver aspiring RPA for the Ravens. 2-color patch. Some stitching, 29 of 99. Nice hit. I think that's Michael Stewart. Nice hit. We should see a 101. That would be nice. Got a Jalen Hurts. It's going to be to 149. Prism. Stuck to it. Cam Newton, orange prism for the Pats. 5 of 15. Got a Tua patch, high voltage disco, going to the Dolphins. 10 of 60. Not from any specific game or event. Mystery material. And we got a little Jamin Davis for Washington. Very nice autograph he has. But he's also Jamin Davis. 4 of 99 for Washington. Very clean signature. Easy bear down over there. Got Austin Eckler prism, probably to 149. It is 113 of 149 for the Chargers. Got a Rise Above disco rookie Davis Mills for the Texans. 27 of 60. Next patch is very nice. 4-color. Next era Devonta Smith. The Eagles. 2 of 10. Nice hit for the Eagles. Very dope looking patch. And our next auto. Michael Vick. Sky High Signatures for the Falcons. That is on card. 11 of 75. Nice hit for the Falcons. Michael Vick. All right, last pack. Let it be good and let it contain a 101. Got a Marshall Faulk orange for the Rams. It's going to be 15 of 15. Got a Freiermuth. I think that's pretty short printed. Nah. 28 of 75. Freiermuth for the Steelers. Thinking of the other one then. There's a pattern that looks like this one that's short printed. Got a rising rookie, Najee Harris. Double patch. Steelers having a good break. 7 of 99. And last card of the break. It's pretty good. Kyle Pitts. What is that numbered to? It's got to be short printed. Nice hit. Purple Power. Is to 30. 19 of 30. Nice hit for the Falcons. Kyle Pitts, 3-color purple signature on the Purple Power. Nice hit, Falcons. Pretty solid break, not counting the first box. All right, let's do a recap and then watch the end of football. Hide your dogs, Vit's coming. I know, Joe's always in the zone. He makes me nauseous. Got a Najee Peacock for the Steelers on the base rookie, SSP. Demetric Felton on the choice exclusive rookie for the Browns, not numbered. Gardner Minshew to 80. Fields debut to 80. Got the True Gold, Brandon Cooks, 4 of 8. Max Crosby to 99. Najee Introduction Silver. Chuba Hubbard to 49. Trey Lance debut. Pat Freiermuth to 75. Marshall Faulk Orange Prism to 15. Rise Above Davis Mills on the Disco to 60. Austin Eckler to 149. Cam Newton to 15, orange. Jalen Hurts to 149. Pulsar Mike Evans to 99. And a Rosal rookie die cut to 20 for the Bills. In our hits, see you on the flip side, Steven. I won't have anything tomorrow, but definitely Tuesday through Saturday. Tuesday through Sunday. Let's mix it up a little here. All right, we got Jamin Davis, rookie auto for Washington to 99. High Voltage Disco Tua patch for the Dolphins to 60. Tylan Wallace, Silver Aspiring RPA for the Ravens to 99. Brilliance Miles Sanders Disco to 49. Got the Nasty Redemption out of Mosaic Choice. Fusion Red and Yellow, Justin Fields. Got Salvan Ahmed, who is apparently still an active football player, to the Dolphins. Michael Strachan, rookie auto for the Colts. Nasty Kyle Pitts to 30. Rising rookie Najee double patch to 99. On card Michael Vick Sky High Signatures to 75. And Devonta 4-color Next Era 2 of 10 Orange Prism patch. All right, guys, thanks for the fill. Looks like basketball's full or a couple cheap teams away. Mike's got to break some stinky shoes. All right, guys, I will see you on Tuesday.